What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. You don't know any more people. It's a boy 416 to 876 Jamaican people. Today we're giving you a part driving one. And a part we just a talk again. You understand? I get a little coffee right now in my system. About midday. I try to go on a vlog. You understand, my people? So thanks again for everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. And just forward over here for just come here and talk more time, you understand? You guys didn't have to do it. I see somebody message me in the comment, what type of language am I speaking? I'm speaking Jamaican or Patois, but are you still not even getting full Patois from me? You're still getting just a little bit of Patois, and you still cannot understand me. Really now? Let me see a next comment to my people. People like you guys, we should not let in our country because all you guys want to do is come here and work and leave. So now that's what the government do with us. The government use all of us, even you are born here. You're just an ex-tax dollar to build up their country at the end of the day. So you're so bright. Like, yo, sometimes some people just put the video them and them just take it out way more time. Sometimes it's like, it's so long, it takes me for warm before I come back and build the next video for sure. And I know like I can't come talk. I can. But like some of you comments, man, sometimes it just outrageous. It just like on the comments them unruly. No joke, some unruly comments on the have. So I get my little coffee and go and sip one small one to, you know, go back home and fry a piece of fish. Because I'm not gonna make get at me, you know. You understand? So big up to all of the loyal supporters, all of the people who's been here from day one, from the house videos from Jamaica until now. The walking around town videos, all of them videos there. And bless up on yourself. Big up everybody who keep on liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. And big up everybody who keep on commenting. Yes, some comments gonna be bad and some is gonna be good at the end of the day, right? But you see the topic we'll come to talk about, my people. Now wait topic there again. 1 second, yeah. I'm look back on my phone because I don't want to go now. Weird topic, you know. Yeah, man, at least 80% of Jamaicans want to move back home, but won't because of this. Alright. And I don't know, say I don't lie that to my people. And there's probably more. Me just say 80%. Because sometimes I go to some people, nothing what you do can change their mind. If you go back to Jamaica, go live. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Some people just really despite eating Jamaica. 1 second there. Yeah, can I get a small double? That's it. Yeah. Sorry about that again, my people. But yeah, I meet a older gentleman, one Chinese Jamaican back in the days. And him one of them open my eye and say, yo, friend him left Jamaica, that's about in the 70s. He never returned, and he said we'll never return back to Jamaica. I'm always asking why. Him say the people them over there, their mindset too corrupt against each other. You understand? And then if me go to some other Jamaican now, some other Jamaican say, yo, listen, I can't wait for the day for this lift up off of this as soon as I get some money. So again, the demographic of people want to go in back home or not going back home, it's quite small, you know. Because a lot of alright. Because a lot of people in Canada, America, England really want to just go home. Remember me tell you that. And because them have a lot of we, you know, because we don't have the money, you know, to make a jump or make a leap like that, we say, yo, I'd rather go back home, you know, because them place and them place are unhealthy, you know. And see what them say, oh, Jamaica have bad people or whatever to talk like the mentality. Oh, why is the mentality? Everybody is selfish. Yeah, when come to Canada, if you don't want to hear about bad mentality, people over here say them selfish. Jamaica, at least Jamaica, you that wake up 1-2 times, and if you go on the road, you hear somebody tell you good morning. Now your neighbors can't hear you dead over here, and them not come and look at you. Jamaica, I know say if your neighbor them hear you, hear gunshot or hear something, them a call police. Then hear too much loud screaming in Jamaica, them a peep through them fence and say, who that over this, or what go on. But not in Canada. Not where probably where I live. Not around the people in them, not around them type of people. You're going to one building and them sale every day, them not even want to open the door for you. You open the door for some of them people over here, so not even thanks them not looking at your eye and tell you. Sometimes sometimes you all elevator for some of them people over here saying for sure, you know. And then just come in there and look for you with them dry stake out eye, you know, I'm not even say, yo, okay, respect my brother, or thanks my sister, you understand? And them a run and come in and all your finger could end just press the close button, you know. But no. And I just saw the mentality stay over here, so with some of these people. It's not everybody. So you can't say Jamaica is just full of bad. It's not everybody in Jamaica. Yes, we know say the number one main reason. I'm not even say number one. Because some places in Jamaica you don't have crime, period. So I won't say it's the number one main reason. I will just say it's a 50-50 with bad families in Jamaica. And some people just don't want to go back home for even to see or even educate them or even talk to them or even acknowledge them, right? That can be one of the big aspects too, right? A lot of family just say, you know what, I just done off with Jamaica, done off with this island. But at the end of the day, you have a lot more islands. You can I moved to, but Jamaica is just home for me because that's where I was born. So I can't come over here and tell you about Cuba, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Peru, or Costa Rica. I can't tell you about Trinidad and them places. Jamaica, I'm born and grew. Same like, I can't tell you about America, because Canada I'm there right now. You understand? Me can't go over where you want me to go over there, so go lie to you and tell you, oh, this is the best place on earth. But don't tell you already, the only place in North America I would live is probably Florida or California, because they have the same climate as Jamaica. You understand? That's the only place me would say, alright, pack up for good and don't go back to Jamaica. That's it. You can't tell me if you live in Toronto. In a dim cold, you're mad, man. You can't tell me if you live over here, man. No matter who I go on to Jamaica. If somebody look for me at east, I move to west. No joke. No matter what you tell me. And let me have to go back to Jamaica to anywhere, because the Dominican Republic, the right, so go learn a little bit of Spanish and you enjoy your time too. And the Dominican Republic is just as bad as Jamaica too, because you're not seeing them shit in the news or anything in the media, right? But remember again, you know, every little thing, Jamaica, them pick up on the media right away, you know. So no matter if Jamaica do good for itself for 1 year straight, as soon as a man gets slapped away in Jamaica, you hear it. One fight broke, you hear it. One mother beat one pitney, one man beat one man, or one man come in and catch a man with a woman. You hear every single news that happen in Jamaica, because everybody just fancy Jamaica just like that. No matter what. And when some people say, oh, they now go back to Jamaica, them don't really need to go back to Jamaica, you know, because all I news up on social media. But the environment is not. Oh. And I walk with me going to Home Depot, me and try to see if them have anything on sales or you can buy it local. For the dream house. So them days, yeah, I take my time and go and come walk, because today not that cold. It's still -3 or 4 or 5, but last week we were going up against -20, -30. So we gotta take the bad with the good and the good with the bad sometime, right, my people? And just move on with life. That. That's how me live life, my people. I stop trying to be negative around people, because I start 2020 with no negativity. Yes, I know like me now I get pissed off here or there at one time. But we don't have to show negativity, you understand? Just go sit down and vibe out and clear your heaven space so Father God give you, you know? Look like it's going to snow in my people, and if it's snow, you know where I have to go? Work! But it's okay, you haven't snow in 2-3 days or 4 days, so we get a look at break. Because with this type of job, you know, my people, you're on call for 24 hours straight. So as soon as they call you, you have 1 hour to reach the office. If you don't reach the office every minute, then pay out $100 per minute on your late fee. Yeah. Alright, my people, so let's go now and take a look at Home Depot. Right now, I can guess they have a lot of winter stuff more out right now, so I'm not really like nothing. But I still come open my eyes because I like them little stuff here. Just to see what I could add in my place, you know. Watch my people, at $98 the price they come from, you know. Not them have on sale for $50. So them could clearance things I like for just come around and check out. Yeah man, my people, so at the end of the day, as just sometimes my family members will make it bad for people who want to go back to Jamaica. And sometimes we over here we just can't go back because money tight over here, say them people. Imagine you have kids, bills, on top of bills and mortgage and things. You can't really have nothing for go back home in Jamaica. That's why some people, them just take them, the few good ones, my people. You better be happy for them. The few people who must say them go back home and I try to build back home. Be happy for them because it's not easy. It's not easy for them people. It's not easy for a man to save up $2-3 million a year time for go back to Jamaica to try to fix up in place. It's not easy, you know. And then when them go back to Jamaica now, the same look bad mind people. That's why I always tell people now, you can't go back home and go build back in where you come from, where you used to live. In a ghetto. Me sorry. Me preacher. You can't tell me say me I go live from Toronto, Canada. And me I go back to Central Village. Go build a house. I'm mad, you mad man. Mad, you must drink your piss. You be crazy if any people you just set up yourself for death trap. I'm not saying you won't be safe, you know, or everything won't be good with you and stuff like that, you know. But you not see me do that, man. You must say mad man. Me go back in the ghetto. You can't live foreign and I go back in the ghetto, go build up $30 million mansion house or 200 or $40 million house in a ghetto. And him see him, you can't do that. Because John Paul over there, so you left him over there, so. Him have him look a board house for the longest time. Him live down there and then you move down to Canada or foreign or England. And I try it for your own and Father God bless you, don't have money. And you come down here now, come build up your local dream house on the land where the family left for a longer time. And them same people will bad mind you and want to kill you off because what? You know if you have such a big house, you know if you have this. Like you understand, like and a whole heap of them things a lot of people been through and went through with them life. So now like me not understand why some people are say, yo, me now go back home. But you have to understand some people mentality. Some people we not have the ability to live yourself. No. Some people are just like me, they want to go back home no matter what. Jamaica nice, you know, people. You have white people in Jamaica. We never even left out of Jamaica and them just they in Jamaica. Born and raised white people in Jamaica. And they never have nothing bad to say about Jamaica. Nothing bad to say about Jamaica and they live there so for the years on top of years. Some people never hear gunshot in Jamaica yet, you know. Unless I must be on the street side because for them area and have them type of vibes, you know. For them community, you know. You understand? That's why them say the rich get richer in Jamaica and the poor get poor because them not see middle class. Oh, this is a nice fan. 2 bills. See, alright. What's it now? See the people? So that fan like this a 2 bill seat right here, sir, right? In the active, when they are active, I'll see even a nice pretty one day. When they are active, that same fan would have run me around $60,000. This one probably could be cheaper, but that one would have run me $60,000 in Jamaica. So that's one of the thing them too. I always come check it out. Them black one, the black one that run me about 40 to 50 grand. But I don't like them one with lights. So I go back for one of those ones. Even this one is nice too. You want it to be like 60 inches too. I think this is 54 inch. So these are not bad still. Even these ones. So I'm gonna need like 4 fans or 5 fans still. So I always just come in place of my people. Just for open my mindset and always have the dream for me tip of my tongue. You understand? No joke, man. I always say fixtures and stuff. What? And see, them things are because, you know, them things are cheap when you take your real time. When you really take your time now, you know, my people. See, when you build up your house now, I want to fix it up now. Now at the time now you can come look. Because the house done already, you know. So you now got to take you as much money for the startup. You understand? And that my stepfather come to me and say, oh Jay, nobody worry about it, you know. Just fight the fight, see with your man, because yeah, you know it's hard. But by the time you're done now, you don't really have too much stuff for your bill or for your spend money on. You understand me? I tell some people. So look upon it that way. Yes, the fight is gonna be hard for fight. But when I buy a couple of them on a Jamaica, but when I go down I place them people active yo, treat the people them away, you know. Cause them things are expensive up here too, you know, cause this is the, you see, this is the run for running $100,000 Jamaican for just this alone right here. So the end of the day, around the same price them, you see. This is around $150,000 plus tax, but $180,000. So the prices them not too far. Them not too far off. Unless I buy them a cheaper one, yeah, and stuff like that. That price is not bad. Yeah, them they. I think I have one of them, yeah. I have one of these one at the house in Jamaica. I have something similar to this in Jamaica. I done buy them up already. That's why them people, when you get a little bit of money, my people, you put it down, man. You put it down and go buy what you need for buy right away. You understand? Because you never know when you might get back a next money again. You know, so some panel me come to look for two of my people for the outdoor. Because I want a way for panel want to start lock up the house. So the nice bathroom enclosure them, you know. I need to get one, but I need to go down and go tile it out, my people. I need to go tile out the house properly. Because I saw show them want, show them for stay, you know, my people. Like me some people, you just take on the time and build. The end of the day, room never make in one day. Chinese bridge never, Chinese or bridge, they never make in one day. So no rush. God process, people, we just take our time. And like me say, I guarantee you, anybody who's been day one subscribers, from when they message me and can show me back a comment when I make about months or years ago. You know, so anytime I book my spot at 50% off, you know. No joke. I'm going down there most of the time. I can take up on a tour of the rivers and the a whole heap of vibe I go there in Jamaica and my people. A whole heap of vibe, man. Just a lot of vibe. But I just walk through and I have a topic for my head, my people. To say why a lot of people don't want to go back home. And more time a family, more time I see them friends them, more time a money problem, more time I just bad mind people we can't just take. You understand? So I just a lot of scenarios for a lot of people can just go back home just like that. So I do understand not everybody's in the same situation. I want to buy some of them I have to send down to, you know, because them expensive at Jamaica. Look at railings stuff them. Yes man people. Them quite full expensive in Jamaica. And this is just $169 for the mom can get it cheaper on Amazon. Yes my people, you know I'm just talking, you know, I'm showing the same way, right? And some floating shelves them here. Yeah, some floating shelves and stuff. Yes man, it probably bad mind problem with a bad history with friends and stuff like that. The end of the day, my people, you have to just do what you have to do, you know. But don't make nobody run you away from your own home so you can't go back. Yes, move somewhere else in Jamaica if I so. But your gated community if I so. See, tile them, you know. Tile them just expensive. Yeah man, move out, move now. And gated community. Shut your mouth, stop tell people your business. And avoid negative people. And I surely know you'll be fine in Jamaica. This continued. People me don't know if buying the tiles in Canada and sending them to Jamaica is cheaper than just buying the tile in Jamaica and sending them, because I'm gonna need some size tile like these or even the bigger one them. Yeah, but we don't know. Something like this me don't want my people. But me don't know. Every time I always come and check. I don't know which one will be cheaper to buy here. And then I have to ship them off, cause something like that I want downstairs, upstairs too, And then a nice little bathroom one them obvious now too. So a lot. See, this one is selling for $3 per square feet, so I don't know how much I want. I like them wood local one here too, But I don't have the idea and the concept of what I want. Already for the dream house. Yes, my people, man, like, don't make nobody fight against for going back home. Please. Think about it, think it over with your family. If I safety measures and you know why, then my answer goes after you. Hopefully that won't ever have to happen to me, whereas a safety measures when me can't go back on my yard. You understand? No joke, because Jamaica is just so much to offer. And when I do at Jamaica, my spirit just feel a little bit better compared to over here. So I don't know time my spirit feel happy over here when it's summertime, And my spirit still not feel dead. Still not feel at home. Still not feel comfortable. No joke. I see me door and I look at the door, then my people, I don't know where to get a door with a mirror. With a built-in double-sided mirror. I need those for my barn doors or the bathroom them. So if anybody know where spot me can get barn doors in Jamaica with double-sided mirror, please let me know. Thank you. But it has to be double-sided doors for indoors, for the bathroom. My sliding door to me I'll put up soon, my people. Just a tile it out, my sliding door done by already in Jamaica, my people. So don't get it twisted, Like me tell you, so the dream finally I go kick off this year. I go finish the property. Might not get the pool in, but the property itself, I will make sure it's done. Hopefully to Father God. Because I wanna push me, my people. No joke, I wanna over yourself. You know me, I push I push me. But it have to be like that sometimes, because sometimes every day you get up with the right head space and money this and money that and work this and work that and nothing go on. And I read someone commenting to my people. It's a joy more time, because we have to fight. We have to fight. Nobody's gonna fight it for us. And seeing so with the kids them, I have to tell them straight, we have to fight. I want mirror one this, I want mirror door. Or a double-sided mirror. Yeah, I want a mirror door, my people. I want a mirror door for the bathroom them. Because that Airbnb have to turn up my people. Can't build it. So you want a sliding door right there, so I want this too, So this is a barn door type, my people. I already buy the barn door stuff them already. But it's the door that I want now, but I want a double-sided mirror. So right here I have a mirror on it. Right, so I need 3 doors like that in Jamaica. So if anybody know anybody, just contact me, shoot me them number, so I can get them to jump on the 3 door them or start build them. If anything, guys. That's me. I'm just gonna go with the plans them when me have for the property to now. Nah, I go stop until we're done. Oh, them things are not really bad. But yeah, my people, it was just a quick vlog. A quick video just to see which part what mindset there and why people won't go back. So I don't want nobody come bash me upon them video here. This is just a quick talking video to say why people won't go back, or just for open up phone head and showing the ropes. That. So everybody, again, just thanks everybody who's been liking, who's been sharing up the content, who's been subscribing. And if this is a video for somebody where you can share it, open up them eye, you share them the video, man, and make them pray it and make them hear what I have to say too, you know what I mean? And that. So just thanks everybody again who's been liking, sharing, subscribing. Everybody, and have a blessed weekend and have a blessed work week. Next week, bless upon yourself. Boy, Director J, 416 876 is out.